In this video, I am going to show you how to sign in into Plaid with Cash App. First of all, let's be clear that you don't normally open Plaid and sign in using Cash App details. You will not be able to do that. You will have to connect Cash App inside Plaid. So just go and open the app or the website that you want to connect Cash App to. Of course, this is going to be Plaid. Just make sure to use the app or websites. It's up to you. Then you'll have to log in into your accounts. So just go and create your account or either log in into your account. Once you do so, you will have to go and choose the option to connect an app. So look for an option like Link Bank, Connect Bank, or Add Bank Account or Link Account. And then you'll find the full list of a lot of banks. Just go and find app or find Cash App and locate it. If the Cash App as an example doesn't appear, you'll have to look or for manually linking. They have an option to do that where you can link with account numbers as said. Plus, you will find Cash App. That just in case if you didn't find this example. So if you do, just go and click on it and you'll find link your bank accounts. Cash App as example uses Plaid to link your bank accounts. So just go and read all the information there and make sure to go and click on continue. Once you do so, of course, you will be able to check your bank accounts and even make some deposits from Cash App, example to Plaid. And you can make as much or as low as 0.01. So just go and complete the connection and make sure to authorize any deposits if it's needed to complete the connection. And just make sure to complete the verification as well. So click on continue and follow any other on-screen instructions and you should be good to go to sign in. Basically, that's how you sign in with Plaid or to Plaid with Cash App. So remember that you're not really signing into Plaid with a separated Cash App to Plaid account. You just start the app and connect, as an example, Cash App to Plaid. So then you'll have to follow the connection steps and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.